Welcome to week 7 of virtual learning. So this schedule you're going to see here on the screen is your outline of activities for next week. Reading and writing are going to stay the same. So we will keep working through Lexia. Then on Tuesday, you'll do an iReady reading lesson. Keep in mind that your reader's response journal, I'm going to push those out each Monday. So yours will be pushed out on Monday for chapters 7, 8, and 9 in 24 Hours and Nowhere. The prompts are going to be the same. Then your writing Google Classroom, the picture prompts are available. You just keep using that same document. This will be your last week of this. So if there's one that you want to finish up, please do so. Math is going to look a little bit different. I have just sent out, literally right before I recorded this video, I just sent you a video of how to set up your account in Khan Academy. And that link is available in Math Google Classroom. So if you've not done that yet, that is going to be your assignment for Monday, is setting up your Khan Academy account and doing your Reflex Greenlight. Okay, so I'm not actually asking you to work in Khan on Monday. I'm asking you to go in and make sure your account is set up. And then you will start working Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in Khan Academy. And I'm asking for 20 minutes a day. And just do what you can. You're going to see it's broken down into an instructional video. There's activities to practice, and then there's a little quiz as you finish each section of the learning segments. So that's where the Khan Academy is going to come in. Like I said, the link to set up your account, and you must have your account set up in order to do the work, is in Math Google Classroom. Math Google Classroom. Okay? Another thing that's going to be new next week is we are actually switching gears and we're going to be doing some social studies. And for your social studies assignments, you are going to be kicking off your government unit. And so I'm going to flip screens here. So in writing, I have pushed out this document and it has your learning targets outlined. And then there are, each day, you're going to be watching a different video and I've linked them here. So this document is going to be in writing Google Classroom. You can go to this document and it will take you directly to the links. You just click it and it's going to take you to YouTube. Then on Tuesday, you have a Brain Pop assignment. It's a video and a quiz. Wednesday, back to YouTube. And then Thursday, back to Brain Pop for the video and the quiz. Okay, so just keep in mind there's no science because we're doing social studies instead this week. All right. There will be a Connect activity pushed out Monday at 10. So make sure that you jump on and check that out. I have really loved seeing all your videos of your natural disaster structures, and it's really cool the ideas you guys came up with to recreate what those natural disasters would look like. So I'm really proud of you for doing that. And then next Friday, just like tomorrow, it's going to be Thrive on 5 again. So you'll pick 2 activities for a total of 90 minutes. Okay. I do plan to hold Zoom. Pop over to that schedule. So our Zoom schedule is going to be the same. So Monday, I'll just be sitting on there hanging out, waiting for questions if you have them, or if you just want to pop on and say hi. And then Tuesday and Thursday, if you feel like you need to set something up, to have mom or dad email me or class tag message me, or you guys can reach out on Seesaw. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to come up with something. Last week we did a drawing challenge. I thought that was pretty cool. And this Wednesday we'll do something else, something fun with the class. So pop on at 11:15. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I don't have any technical difficulties. Again, I apologize. We started a little late last time. So any questions or anything, let me know. I think that is all I have. I will make this document available in class tag for your parents, along with the Zoom schedule. And then make sure you're going over to Google Classroom. I am still pushing out Seesaw daily. And Seesaw is really just your Brain Smart Start and then your must-dos, okay? So it's just kind of giving you a little daily checklist. I know sometimes it helps us to see what we need to do each day rather than having to go to this big chart. So just make sure you're going on there. I love seeing the things that you guys are putting down in your Brain Smart Start. Any questions, let me know. I hope you have a terrific weekend and work hard next week. Take care.